This lecture is for those who do not consider themselves programmers. You may be a business professional, a marketer, a project manager, or an entrepreneur. You may be wondering if Claude Code is relevant for you. The answer is yes, and I will show you why and how. Let us start by addressing a common misconception. You do not need to know how to code to use Claude Code effectively. What you need is a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, the ability to describe it in plain language, and basic computer skills such as knowing where your files are stored. That is enough to get started. Let us look at what non-coders can build using Claude Code. You can automate document-related tasks such as formatting reports, extracting data from PDF files, generating summaries from long documents, converting file formats, and creating templates. You can process data by cleaning spreadsheets, merging data from multiple sources, identifying patterns, and generating summaries. You can manage files by organizing large numbers of files, renaming them in bulk, creating backups, and converting file types. You can also create content such as personalized emails, weekly reports, and batch processed media. Let us consider a practical example. Imagine you are working in finance. Every week, you prepare a report by opening multiple spreadsheets, copying key values, formatting the report, and sending it by email. This process may take close to 2 hours. With Claude Code, you can automate this process. You describe the task once, including the data sources and expected output. After that, the process can be completed in minutes instead of hours. Let us look at a simple example. You have a folder of photos and want to rename all files by adding today or choose date at the beginning of each file name. You can describe this requirement in plain language. The system understands your request, asks for clarification if needed, and completes the task. This demonstrates an important concept. You do not need to write code. You only need to clearly describe your requirement. Now let us look at how to communicate effectively. Be specific about your inputs and outputs. Instead of saying process this data, describe the file, the structure, and the expected result. Instead of saying improve this, clearly define the transformation you want. Providing examples can also help. If you show the current format and the desired format, the system can better understand your intent. There is a clear division of responsibilities. You define what needs to be done. The system determines how to do it. You need to know where your files are, what your inputs look like, and what output you expect. The system handles the technical execution, including writing code, processing data, and handling variations. Let me share some practical advice for getting started. Start with simple tasks. Choose something small and safe, such as listing files or identifying large files. Always create backups before performing major operations. This is a good habit to develop. Review the output before using it in important scenarios. If something does not work as expected, describe the issue clearly. The system can help troubleshoot. Let us look at another example. You have a spreadsheet with phone numbers in different formats. Some include symbols, some do not, and others follow inconsistent patterns. You can describe the desired format. The system analyzes the data, standardizes all entries, and saves the updated file. This is done without writing any code. It is important to set realistic expectations. Claude Code is very effective for tasks such as batch processing, data extraction, file organization, format conversion, and report generation. However, it is not intended to replace specialized tools. For example, design tools, marketing platforms, customer relationship management systems, and social media schedulers are better suited for their specific use cases. Claude Code complements these tools rather than replacing them. Let us conclude with your action steps. Install Claude Code. You may need assistance from someone technical for the initial setup. Start by organizing a folder of files. Automate one recurring task that you currently perform manually. Focus on clearly describing your tasks, including inputs and expected outputs. The barrier to entry is lower than most people think. If you can clearly explain what you want, you can use Claude Code effectively. In the next section, we will begin with installation and setup, and I will guide you through each step. See you in the next lecture.